Hey guys, I got another project for you. This time I'm building a front end loader for my tractor. I got the idea from YouTube and I really needed an ability to lift some heavy loads up very high, and the rear lifting system will just not do this for me. The maximum it will lift is maybe like a meter or something. So I spent like whole day welding this side and also some welds there, but it's really annoying. The welds aren't that good. They look like vomit, but whatever. I don't care. I will add some paint on them and they won't look like vomit anymore then, I hope. Lol. And yeah, I bolted and welded the mast frame on the tractor's frame. There is a weld here and also here, and also bolts that are bolted to the main frame of the tractor. I think it's called the half frame, but yeah, whatever. Basically, these will be welded to a box steel iron, basically this, and there are 4 of these, so these will be my main lifting frame. Yeah, no, and here is all the steel I have got. I'm hoping to save some money with this project, but considering I have already wasted like $300 on the steel, so the cylinders, the hydraulic cylinders, will be like maybe 400 plus the hoses. So I'm guessing I will go like maybe $800 on this project. But a brand new loader for this tractor is around 3, maybe 2.5 grand. That's in euros, by the way, euros. Yeah, euros. And if I can get this done with just $800, then that's a win for me. And yeah, basically I hope the welds will hold, because the maximum lifting capacity for this tractor's front end is recommended to be around 500 kilos. So this is like 150 kilos right here, so I don't want to really push my front axle very much. In worst case scenario, I will have to remove this concrete block, this counterweight. But we will see how the tires will react to, how the front end will react to such loads if I finish it eventually and start testing it out.